right, welcome back. We got another unboxing. This one was sent by Pony Express, evidently, from Michigan. So let's see what's in it. All right, so we last did an unboxing of the Freedom Baits, which is Lowell actually reps for them, and I ordered those. And so I ordered these. Were the really cool ones. Not that. Thanks for the support. Writes on the back. Well, you're welcome, buddy. Let's see what Lowell sent. So, this is actually one of the. Just tell you, I've never seen anything like these. And I don't think you have either. Maybe you have. All right, so, it gave me a couple nice stickers. So, bam, we're talking, you can't really see those, huh? Team LT Outdoors. Nice. I love stickers. We'll stick those on my boat. One of them, anyway. All right, so that's lots of good stuff in here. All right. So, first, he sent me some more Freedom Baits. Nice. Thanks, Lowell. Because I got his Lowell Special. Remember that? So, he gave me some. This is just because, he likes me. So, he sent me, I still can't smell because I'm still sick. Sort of a, I forget. Anyway, it's sort of a greenish yellow, you know what I mean, with black flake. And this is the Hornet, so can't really tell because it's green screen. We have the sperm here. Sorry, it just looks like little sperm, but in a beautiful, almost a June bug color. Those are really cool looking. And the A-bombs. I love the A-bombs. This is in orange. Really looking forward to those. And then this is a sort of like a what's it called? I don't know. It's wild looking, man. I didn't get these in his kit. Anyway, that's wild looking. All right. Oh my gosh, he really took care of me. It pays to go Pony Express, evidently. Okay, so I got to show you these. I was so excited when I saw these. All right, so these are called, what the heck are they called? Drunken Dizzy Spoons, okay? Drunken Dizzy Spoons. All right. You're not going to believe this thing, because I didn't. Lowell must have invented these, because I've never seen them anywhere before in my life. Come on, open, open, open. They're evidently childproof. All right. So they have a knock in it. All right. The unveiling. Okay. Looks like a size 10 hook, red. And a swivel. Really nice swivel right on the end there. And it is, you're going to love this, a crushed bottle cap. Okay. That's a crushed bottle cap with BBs in it. All right. Genius. And it's a jigging spoon. So drop it down and let it do its thing. And he's got different bottle tops. This is New Holland. I got Newcastle. Hey, Oregon Statehood bottle cap. Nice. He gave me an Oregon one. That's for organ fishing. And he's my new bud, and Dos Equis. All right. So that is the Drunken Dizzy. It is so cool. I cannot wait to use one of these. I mean, it's just so cool. Now, what put me over there was Robert saying, Mike, you got to go check out the pig pounders. I go, what the heck is a pig pounder? And so he's got not only pig pounders. Oh, there's another spoon. Pabst Blue Ribbon. Love this guy. Oh, wait a minute. Something else, too. Ooh, a purple one with a skull on it. No idea what beer that goes to, but that's cool. Okay, so we got those. We got that. All right. This is so exciting. So cool. So he's got something called a pig pounder and a panty pounder. I know. Sounds bad, doesn't it? That's so cool. All right. So we got pig pounders, panty pounder. So we're going to open one of these. They say they're scented. I can't smell. I have no idea what it is. All right. So this is a Pig Pounder 2.0. This is what he's done. Looks like he's taken just a Colorado blade to it. Added 3 beads, a worm, and two hooks in it. This one hooked on itself, I think. Yeah, it did. So wild. So it's got 2 hooks in it. See that? This is sort of a June bug, looks like. A little flat tail on it. And you fish it like that. Have you guys ever seen anything like this? This is called Pig Pounder. That's great for dark water. Alright, and so I got this in this like June bug. Oh, I got one for, my lake because, you need white and pink. And, ooh, there's a really cool pig pounder here. So that's a 2.0, okay? Evidently, this is a 1.0. It's smaller. So, yellow. It's yellow. And then the hot pink and purple. Wow. Beautiful worm on there. And then black and pink. All right. And then we got the panty pounders. We're going to open a panty pounder. One that you can see. Okay, we'll get this one. All right, so let's get that. This is so exciting because I've never seen anything like these before in my life. All right, so again, smaller Colorado. This has got 2 different color beads, orange and pink. Beautiful white and orange worm on there. And then you've got the 2 smaller hooks. That's gonna catch. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. And at the same time, so cool. So we got the orange and white. We got a beautiful sort of a off clear with purple flakes, red beads, and a gold bead. On this one, same color worm, but with yellow and gold beads on that one. Oh, this is a white worm. And then a green worm with a bright yellow Colorado blade on it. Can't really see the green because we're using green. And the creme de la creme. The freedom baits, you find them, we catch them. Sticker. I'm going to put a link down below for him, man. You just got to take care of my boy now. Oh my gosh, this is awesome, man. This is really, this is like a tackle box. This is a whole tackle box right here. Love that. Bottle caps. You gotta love it. Thanks, Lowell. I really appreciate it. I really, really do. Robert, thanks for turning me on to Lowell. What a great guy. He does what I do. Whenever you order something from me, I always give you extra. That's awesome. Take care, everybody.